Do you want to improve your health and well-being? In our world today, the concept of health is no longer just about the absence of illness. It's about feeling good, having energy, and leading a balanced life. It's about the small daily routines that result in big changes. Welcome to a journey of transforming your life through simple, achievable, and sustainable habits. Our topic today is about incorporating healthy habits into your day-to-day life. Health is wealth, as the saying goes, and maintaining good health is crucial to leading a fulfilled life. But the path to good health doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, it's often the smallest changes that can make the most significant difference. From the foods we eat to the amount of sleep we get, from managing stress levels to getting regular checkups, there are countless ways we can improve our health. So, let's dive right in and explore some of these healthy habits. One of the primary ways to improve your health is by watching what you eat. Healthy eating is not just about strict dietary limitations or depriving yourself of the foods you love. It's about feeling great, having more energy, improving your health, and stabilizing your mood. By incorporating more fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your diet, you're providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Fruits and vegetables are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, while lean proteins and whole grains provide the necessary energy to keep you going throughout the day. Not to mention, these nutrient-dense foods can help maintain a healthy weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and promote overall well-being. But remember, it's not just about the food. Drinking enough water is equally important. Hydration supports digestion, nutrient absorption, and even aids in maintaining a healthy weight. Remember, your body is a temple. Treat it with the respect it deserves. Along with healthy eating, regular exercise is a must. Exercise is the magic potion that brings a plethora of benefits to your life. It boosts your energy levels, improves your mood, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. The beauty of exercise is that it doesn't have to be a grueling 2-hour session at the gym. Everyday activities, like a brisk walk around the block, can do wonders for your health. A 20-minute bicycle ride, a quick game of catch in the park, or even a few minutes of stretching in the morning can contribute significantly to your overall wellness. Exercise is not just about physical fitness. It's a powerful tool for mental health as well. It helps reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, enhancing your mental well-being. It's like hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. So let's make exercise a regular part of our daily routine. Exercise not only improves your physical health, but it also boosts your mental well-being. Sleep is not a luxury. It's a necessity. These are not just words, but a fundamental truth about our health and well-being. When we sleep, our bodies are hard at work, repairing cells, consolidating memories, and restoring energy. Falling short on sleep does more than make you feel groggy and grumpy. It can lead to a cascade of health problems, from a weakened immune system to an increased risk of heart disease and diabetes. And let's not forget about the toll it takes on your mood and productivity. On the flip side, a good night's sleep can make you feel like a whole new person. It can boost your mood, sharpen your focus, and give you the energy to tackle the day. It's like hitting the reset button on your body and mind. So make sure you're getting your beauty sleep every night. Your body and mind will thank you. In today's fast-paced world, stress management is more important than ever. The strains of daily life can pile up, and if left unattended, can lead to severe health implications. That's where stress management techniques come into play. Deep breathing, for instance, is a simple yet effective method. It helps to lower heart rate, promote feelings of calm, and reduce the harmful effects of stress. Another technique is meditation, a practice that encourages tranquility and mental clarity, helping us to navigate the stormy seas of stress with a sense of balance and peace. Yoga, a combination of physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation, can also be a powerful tool for stress relief. And let's not forget the importance of simply taking a break when needed. It's about giving ourselves permission to pause, to recharge, and to refuel. Remember, it's okay to take a step back and take care of yourself. Last but certainly not least, regular checkups are crucial for maintaining good health. They provide a snapshot of your overall well-being, serving as a preventive measure against potential health issues. Just like a car needs tune-ups to run smoothly, our bodies also require regular maintenance. Regular checkups encompass preventive screenings, which are designed to catch potential health issues early on. These screenings are invaluable, as early detection can drastically improve the prognosis of many health conditions, from heart disease to various forms of cancer. Moreover, These appointments are an opportunity for you to discuss any health concerns or changes you've noticed with your healthcare provider. They can provide advice, support, and treatment plans tailored to your needs. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. Regular checkups are an investment in your well-being, a proactive step towards staying healthy and thriving. So make it a habit to schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider. So there you have it, some simple habits you can incorporate into your daily routine to improve your health. We've discussed how essential it is to fuel your body with nutritious foods to keep it running at its best. We've also highlighted the importance of regular exercise, not just for physical health, but also for mental well-being. We've underscored the necessity of getting enough sleep, as it's during these quiet hours that our bodies heal and recharge. Stress management, too, plays a pivotal role in our overall health, helping us to navigate life's challenges with a balanced mindset. And lastly, we've emphasized the value of regular checkups to monitor our health and catch any potential issues early. By integrating these habits into your daily routine, you're investing not just in your present health, but also in your future well-being. Remember, good health is the greatest wealth, so take care of yourself and stay healthy.